Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Friends, in this video once again I'm present with the latest update of the PundiX. What's the current price of the PundiX? What's the price changes okay in the PundiX? In this video I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Now the current price of the PundiX in the market is 1.9 USD dollar, friends. That is the current price of the PundiX. On the other side, if you look the PundiX price change is okay in the PundiX, so you can see here that the only and only the last one day price change is positive, except after the last one day, the last 1 hour, the last 1 week price change is okay in the PundiX is going negative. So uh, I'm really shocked to see this kind of changes okay in the PundiX, that the PundiX will again start moving upward. Sorry, fast down. Oh my god, don't worry about this. You can see here, if you look the last 5 minutes, the last 10 minute price chart of the PundiX, so you can see here, and the last 10 minutes they will again start moving upward. You can see here, so this means that the PundiX is again in the jumping mode. So now PundiX is going upward, friends. Let me show more details. As you can see here, that is the last 1 month price chart of the PundiX. You can see here, yes, absolutely, that is the last one day they start moving upward. I really appreciate that. Now once again PundiX is going to the moon and be ready for to go to the moon, friends. You can see here 31.25% price changes occur in the last one day in the 24 hours in 9. Oh my god, 9.6 USD dollar they hit in the last 1 month. That is the last 1 month price chart, friends. Only I'm talking about the last 1 month. In the last 1 month they hit 9.6 USD dollar, and now the currently price you can see here 1.9 USD dollar, friends. 2 USD dollar is the current price of the PundiX. So absolutely approximately 7 USD dollar falls occur in the last 1 month in the PundiX, friends. So what do you think? Can they recover the 9 USD dollar in the end of 2021 or not? Please tell me in the comment box. I think that they can hit a 5 USD dollar in the last of this year, friends, 2021, friends. They can't hit a 9.6 USD dollar in the last of 2021. If this kind of changes continue after some period of time, falls down, continue in the panic, so it's difficult to hit a 9.6 USD dollar in the last of 2021, friends. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your prediction about PundiX? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.